Hello, good day. Welcome once again to our learning session. So we are now on learning session 5. Okay, so we are now on the exercises of learning session 5. So for this one, I will be explaining the exercises. Then you will be the one to do the drawings or the views related to the object. Okay, so our objective for this one is you will learn in actual. Okay, so what we have discussed. Okay, so I will be explaining the exercises and you will do the drawing. Okay, so let's go to our presentation. Okay, so this is our exercise 5A. So the procedure or the instruction is create the orthographic views of the object shown below. Okay. Okay. So meaning orthographic views. This is okay. So from our previous discussion. So this is orthographic views. So we have three views for this one. Okay. So let's check. So like this one. So we have front view, top view, and side view. Okay. So that one. Okay. So let's go back to the exercises. Okay. So as you can see, this is our object. So we have this one. So this is our front view. This one. Then this is our top view. Top view. Then this is our side view. Okay, so what you will see in the front view is this face or this plane. So this one, this one. Okay. So for our top view, you will see this one. Side view this one and this thin line here. Okay, so the new, let us say the new command that you will use for this one is the curve or the arc. So that one. So you can use other methods for this one to draw the views for this object. Okay, so when you are drawing your construction line, so just check the dimensions here. So what we did in our examples. Okay, so you need 100 and 34, 32. So this is the same. So 34, 34, and 32. Okay, so this is this square. Okay, 34, 32, and 34. Okay, so this is exercise 5A. Okay, so then we go to exercise 5B. Okay, so for this one, you have to create the orthographic views of the object shown below. So when you see orthographic, so we have three views. So front, top view, and side view. Okay. Okay, so this is the front view for this one. You can see this rectangle, this rectangle, rectangle, this one. Okay, so this is the front view. Then for the top view, so we have this U, U shape, then this rectangle and circle. Okay, I think this is not difficult. Then for the side view, you will only see this one and this one. Okay, so you are when you are facing this side, so this big square and rectangle. Okay, so only two. Okay, so that's for exercise 5B. Okay, so Okay, so next we have create the orthographic and auxiliary view. So you will create two views for this one orthographic and auxiliary. So auxiliary is for the inclined views. Okay, so this is the front view. Okay, we have top view, so you can create two, so auxiliary and orthographic. Then this one is the side view. Okay, so this is exercise 5C. Okay, so just uh, observe the dimensions properly for this one. Okay, so I think this drawing is not difficult to draw the views. Okay, so because this is all rectangular shape. Okay, so next we have okay exercise 5D. So create the orthographic and auxiliary views of the object shown below. Okay, so for this one, okay, so we have for front view, we can see this face here. Okay, then for the top view here, this one. Then for side view is this one. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all. That's all the exercises that you need to do. So I hope you can create all that one. So we have five. Oh, we have four. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and see you in our next learning session. Okay, so